Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am showing you this mat for the garage, and I'm going to try to open it up here and I'll show you. I'm going to speed it up a little for you. And here I am opening it up, and you can see it's pretty easy to roll out, and it's long. It's longer than my car. It's probably, my car is a Tesla and it goes longer than that. So if you have a really long garage, you're good. You could probably fit a Suburban on top of this thing, and it's great. It's got padded edges and everything, so it really makes it good. So if you're spilling stuff or if you're leaking or whatever, it'll stay in the mat. So it's really nice. And here's the squeegee for it. You see I put that together, and it's well, I'm still putting it together here, but it is pretty good, and it just kind of screws together. And what's good about this is, though, if you do leak stuff or anything underneath the car, it'll give you the ability to just kind of wipe it clean, and pretty good. But the mat is extremely sturdy and really thick, like plastic with strings or something through it, so it's very tight. And you can see here I'm pretending like I'm actually doing something, but there really isn't anything to do. It also comes with little square stickers, which I think I have in here. It comes with 4 of them, so you can really sticker it down to the ground on the corners. There I am with that, just kind of placing it under there. I didn't really peel off the stickiness of it right there, but that's how you can do that. And so it's really good. And there I am, just throwing away the trash, and there's where the other sticker will go on there, and then there'll be 2 up for the front. So I would totally recommend this. This is a really nice mat. Thumbs up.